once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
For this tutorial, you need a hairband or hair catch, whatever you say in your language, a stitch marker, a glue, and these two colors, white and black. First of all, we are going to make magic ring. Wrap the yarn in such a way that a tail into your left hand and the yarn attaching with the ball in the right hand, and just wrap it in your finger in such a way that it makes an X. Now insert into the bottom yarn and pull up the upper yarn and make a loop and chain 1 to secure the ring. Now for the row 1, we will make total of 7 rounds. For the round 1, just make a single crochet, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now just pull the tail. In this project, we are not going to make slip stitch to end the round. Instead, we just begin the next row with the first stitch, rounds and rounds. We are going to make rounds and rounds instead of now. Now for the round 2, I'm not going to make slip stitch. Instead, I am going to make the first stitch into the first stitch of the previous round. Now make single crochet, first stitch of the second round, and mark the point. Now 3 single crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now single crochet and 3 single crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now single crochet and 3 single crochet into the last stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now for the round 3, just take out the stitch marker, two single crochet in next 2 stitches. This is the first, and just mark the point and 2. 3 single crochet into the next stitch, same stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. In next 3 stitches, and again single crochet into the same 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now again repeat the same stitch pattern, 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 3 single crochet into the next same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now we have one stitch left. Make a single crochet to end this round. Now for the round 4, just start the next round without even making a slip stitch or another stitch. Just make 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now you can see a triangle is going to make. At every triangle we are going to increase by making 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now 5 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now increase at the corner by making 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now again make 5 single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now increase in the corner by making 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now end this round by making 2 single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Now for the round 5, work 4 single crochet in next 4 stitches. This is stitch number 1. Mark the point. 2, 3, 4. Now increase in the corner. 1, 2, 3. Now work 7 single crochets in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now work 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now work again 7 single crochet in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now increase in the corner by making 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now you have 3 stitches left. Work 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. In this round we have total of 30 stitches. Now you can see we have 3 sides, 3 corners. Each side had the same number of stitches. Now for the round 6, work 5 single crochets in next 5 stitches. 1, mark the point. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now increase in the corner by making 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now work 9 single crochet in next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now increase in the corner by making 3 single crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now again work 9 single crochet in next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now increase in the corner by making 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now you have 4 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now end this round by making 4 single stitches in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to change this color from the 7th round, and in the 7th round we will make single crochet in next all the 36 stitches. In this round, 6th round, we have total of 36 stitches in the end. Now just remove the stitch marker and change the color. Now just hide the tails. Now make total of 2. Now over ears are done. Now you have two choices. Either you can make a single crochet. Now take a glue, let it dry. Now wrap the yarn around the rod in such a way that there is no gap in between. Now this is the end point. Again and with the glue so that it will. Now that I have covered the ring with the yarn, sew it, or if you want to glue it, you can go ahead. I am going to sew it with the weaving needle. Now that my cat band is ready.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.